Hello students, Sai Ram. How are you all? Are you okay? Okay, welcome to our computer online classes. Now, let us continue our previous chapter, that is input-output devices. Okay? Okay, before we start, just have an overlook of previous chapter. We learn a computer system, then hardware and software. After that, input devices, output devices, and last one is central processing unit. Okay? Students, today we are going to learn activity on WordPad. For doing this activity, we have to follow some steps. First, you have to open the WordPad window. Then, in that WordPad, you have to type the given text. Okay? After that, select the heading using Shift plus arrow key. Click the bold button on the Home tab. Then change the heading font to Arial and size 16. Select the rest of the text and click on the Justify button on the Home tab. Change the font size and set it to 14. After that, save the file and close the Word application by clicking on Close button. Okay. Before we start our activity, we are going to understand what is WordPad. Okay. Okay, students. Now we are going to understand what is WordPad. Okay. WordPad is a word processor application that we use to write letters, stories, poems, etc. on a computer. Word processor is a computer program that we use to create, edit, view and print text documents. Okay, so this is called a WordPad. Now, we are going to learn how to open a WordPad. Students, this is a computer desktop. Okay, the first screen of computer. Now, we will understand how to open the WordPad. Okay. Step 1. Open the WordPad window. For that, you have to write in search box WordPad. Okay. Step 2. You can see WordPad icon is open. In this WordPad icon, you have to click twice. Okay. Step 3. Okay. Student, you can see a WordPad window is open. WordPad window contains many parts. Let us learn about them. First one is ribbon. There are two parts of the ribbon, tabs and groups. There are many commands in each of the tabs. Okay. The second one is quick access toolbar. It is positioned above the ribbon. It helps in all common tasks which are performed with a single click. After that, WordPad button. It is located just below the quick access toolbar. It contains the menu for working in a WordPad. Then, text area. It is the white space where we type our text. After that, cursor. The blinking line on the text writing area is called cursor. The cursor shows the position of the text type. So students, this is called parts of WordPad window. Okay. Step 4, typing text. In order to type your text in WordPad, simply press the keys on the keyboard. With the help of keyboard, you have to type this paragraph in the WordPad. Okay. Your WordPad like this. Okay students. Step 5. After typing the paragraph, we have to do some formatting in the paragraph. For that, we have to select the heading. Be a good listener using Shift plus right arrow keys. Okay? Understand student? Okay. Then change the heading font to which heading? Take a font Arial. Which one? Arial. Like this. You can see Arial. Okay. Then take a size. Should be 16. Okay. After that, click the, you can see here, after that click the bold button on the home tab. Okay student, like this you have to do. Okay student, understand? Okay, steps number 6. In the same way, we have to select the rest of the paragraph. Okay students? Now, step 7. Here, click on Justify button. Justify button is located on the paragraph group on the home tab. Okay students? Step 8. After completing the step 7, we have to change the font Arial and size 14. Okay. See student, your paragraph will look like this. Understand? Step 9. Save the file. In order to use your work again, for that you have to save your work on your computer as a file. For that you have to follow the steps. First, click on File button. A menu appears. Then click on the Save As options. Okay. Okay. You will see a new window. Click on Desktop. Then type any name for your work in the file name box. Okay. After that, click on Save button. Like this, your work save on your computer. Okay students? Step 11. Here our work is done now. Okay. Now we have to close the WordPad application by clicking on Close button. Okay students? This is how you can do the formatting on the WordPad. Understand, students? Okay, students, I hope you have understand what is WordPad. Student, please try this activity at your home. Student, here our chapter is over now. And please, students, write question and answer in your school workbook when you will get your notes. Thank you and Sai Ram.